Welcome to this video presentation on Wyndham Rewards, the award-winning loyalty program of Wyndham Hotels and Resorts. In this training presentation, you'll gain important knowledge and insight into the 4 key attributes of the program, the 3 core program pillars, Wyndham Rewards member levels, exciting earn and redeem options, and the importance of enrolling guests in Wyndham Rewards. With more than 9,000 hotels across 80 countries, Wyndham Hotels and Resorts is the largest hotel franchising company in the world. We couldn't have achieved this without our loyal guests who visit our 20 hotel brands year after year. We reward guest loyalty through our award-winning loyalty program, Wyndham Rewards. Over the years, we've heard a lot from our members. They want the option to go free and go fast for less. And they want flexibility to use their points for things other than a free or discounted night. So we now have more possibilities for more travelers in more ways than ever before. With over 30,000 hotels, vacation club resorts, and vacation rentals, and more than 80 million members worldwide, the program is built around 4 key attributes. First, we keep it simple. The core of the program is simplicity. We make it easy for members to understand what they get and how. We're aspirational, helping our members create memories that last a lifetime. We're attainable. We believe that rewards aren't just for our biggest spenders or those that live on the road. Members can earn and redeem points in a variety of ways. And we're generous. Our members earn more and redeem faster than most other programs in the industry. The program has 3 pillars: Go Free, Go Fast, and Go Get 'em. First, let's look at Go Free. Go Free allows Wyndham Rewards members to redeem points for a free night at any Wyndham Rewards hotel, vacation club resort, and vacation rental. There are 3 Go Free redemption levels to choose from, starting as low as 7,500 points. The second pillar, Go Fast, is a redemption option that allows Wyndham Rewards members to get a discount off your hotel's best available rate, using points plus some cash at participating hotels, vacation club resorts, and vacation rentals. There are 3 Go Fast redemption levels to choose from, starting as low as 1,500 points, and members earn points on the cash portion of their Go Fast award. We also offer Go Free Plus and Go Fast Plus in select destinations, which provide guests with a gift code for a one-of-a-kind local experience. So how do Wyndham Rewards members earn points? This is where Go Get 'em comes in. The third pillar, Go Get 'em, describes how Wyndham Rewards members earn points, and it couldn't be easier. For every qualified stay, members earn 10 points per dollar, or 1,000 points, whichever is more. So even if a member's qualified stay earned less than 1,000 points, Wyndham Rewards will award a minimum of 1,000 points. Any additional points awarded to members to reach this minimum per qualified stay are funded by Wyndham Rewards at no additional cost to your hotel. Now that we've explored the 3 pillars, let's explore the program's member levels. Member levels reward Wyndham Rewards members with perks based on how often they stay at participating hotels. As members complete more qualifying nights, they can unlock new levels and earn more perks. There are 4 member levels, including Blue, Gold, Platinum, and Diamond. An additional level, Titanium, is available to hotel owners by invitation only. Members start their Wyndham Rewards journey at the Blue level, which is unlocked immediately upon enrollment. Blue members receive free Wi-Fi and rollover nights that never expire. After just 5 qualifying nights, members unlock Gold level, with perks such as 10% more points on every qualified stay, a preferred room, late checkout, dedicated member services, and more. After 15 qualifying nights, members unlock Platinum level, earning 15% more points on every qualified stay, early check-in, Avis and budget car rental upgrades, Platinum status match with Caesars Entertainment through their Caesars Rewards program, and more. After 40 qualifying nights, members unlock Diamond, the highest member level. Diamond members enjoy 20% more points on every qualified stay, suite upgrades, a welcome amenity at participating brands, and the ability to give a gold membership to a friend. As you learned, in addition to the 4 guest member levels, there is an exclusive level for hotel owners called Titanium. Titanium members receive most of the benefits of Diamond member level, plus more. Titanium members receive 30,000 bonus points each year, enough for a free night at any Wyndham Rewards hotel. You learned how members can redeem Wyndham Rewards points for free or discounted stays at hotels, vacation club resorts, and vacation rentals. But there are so many ways to earn and redeem points beyond hotel stays. Members can redeem points for gift cards, merchandise, airline miles, and more. Visit the Wyndham Rewards website to learn more about all the exciting earn and redeem options available to our members. The Wyndham Rewards program delivers benefits to members for simply staying at one of our properties. It's important to ask every guest to enroll so they can enjoy these exciting benefits. And if they're already a member, be sure to deliver on-property member-level perks. Did we mention that it's completely free to join too? It's true. There's no cost to join Wyndham Rewards. Remember, to count as a valid enrollment, the enrollment must be associated with a stay and must include the guest's first and last name, address, phone number, and a valid email address. New members are key to the success of your hotel and Wyndham Rewards. On average, Wyndham Rewards members stay longer and spend more than non-members. It's important to check your arrival information daily to identify non-members to enroll. If you don't see a member number associated with a stay, it's a great practice to ask the guest if they are a Wyndham Rewards member when you're checking them in. Remember, it's also a great opportunity for your hotel to recognize existing members through the delivery of member-level perks. Each hotel is responsible for a minimum number of valid enrollments, which varies by property. Asking guests that aren't already members of Wyndham Rewards to join will help you meet or exceed your property's valid enrollment goal. You are also eligible for exciting incentives just for enrolling new members. To learn more about your hotel's enrollment goal and incentives, visit My Portal. The following resources are helpful tools to provide you with information and guidelines to support the Wyndham Rewards program. My Portal, Wyndham Hotels and Resorts intranet site, which contains Wyndham Rewards information and training modules. The Front Desk Guide, which outlines the rules around your hotel's participation in Wyndham Rewards and is a helpful resource in training your staff on administering the program. Wyndham Rewards marketing materials, which are available for display at your hotel, and Wyndham Rewards property level reports. Congratulations! You've completed this Wyndham Rewards training presentation. In addition to learning about the program's exciting earning and redemption opportunities, you gained important knowledge and insight into the 4 key attributes of the program, the 3 core program pillars, Wyndham Rewards member levels, exciting earn and redeem options, and the importance of enrolling guests in Wyndham Rewards. Thank you for your participation.